Cheers, you guys. Oh. Oh boy, that is nice. I've been waiting for these chicken wings for a while. Oh, it's spicy. Today, you guys, we have some chicken. Chicken. What is that song? Winner, chicken dinner. Yeah, we got us some chicken today. Yes, chicken wings. Okay, you guys, so the glasses are on because this is the hot spicy sauce. It is not the 2 times spicy, I don't think. I think that one is like more red than black, but I could be wrong. Maybe black is worse. No, I think it's red. Anyway, I've got my favorite spicy breaded wings from Sobeys. Compliments is the name of the brand. It's kind of like a generic brand. Anyway, you guys are fabulous. I also have some water right here. I have some wine right here. You guys, what a struggle to get this thing going. I still didn't get it going. You guys, I don't know what's up. I put the amount of liquid, the sauce, in there that I'm supposed to, between 3 and 4 cups. I did that. I poured it down the top like it says in the instructions, and then I poured it off. Then I poured it down here. Then I did it again. I poured it here and here. You guys, it did not work. I don't know. It makes lots of noise though. Holy shit. Here, let me turn it on so you guys can hear it. Right? It's pretty loud. Wouldn't it be funny if it started working right now? Anyway, there's like an auger, kind of like a spiral thing down the center, like a screw, and it's supposed to bring stuff up, and it's supposed to pour over and over like Stephanie Sue does. She does an amazing job at it. I don't know if I have the same one as her, but I tell you, this here is getting cleaned up and going back, you guys. I am pissed, and I made such a mess. I'm after cleaning up the table. Excuse me, this tray. This is the 3rd time I've had this tray here. And it's, again, loaded full of hot sauce because I've been trying to get this damn thing to work. Anyway, I gave up. Oh! Sorry. Anyway, I gave up trying to get this damn thing to work. And I'm going to clean it, bring it back, get my money back, and go somewhere else or go online and buy a better one. Anyway, you guys, while I was messing around with everything, my wings... Oh, they're still a little bit warm because of the pan. This cast iron pan I put it in the oven. And anyway, my sauce should be warm because I had the heater on. But anyway, I keep licking my fingers and stuff, you guys, because I'm making such a mess here with this. My mouth is already on fire before I even start eating. Already on fire. So, cheers, you guys. Jeepers creepers. Anyways. Right now, I'm so jealous of Stephanie Sue for getting hers working. I am so jealous. Anyways, let's check this out. It would have been so cute, hey? Yeah, I'm pretty disappointed. Oh, I gotta get a plate. Half plate will travel. Here we go, you guys. Ugh, see? I just spilled again. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, cheers, you guys. Oh boy, that is nice. I've been waiting for these chicken wings for a while. Oh, it's spicy. Thanks, man. What a mess. Holy. I'm going to try to only dirty one more hand. You guys, I washed my hands so many times messing around with this. Oh. Ridiculous. Oh. My mouth is on fire. Oh, that's good. That is good. So good. And my nose is already running. Already running. These wings are so good. Seriously? I could eat them without the friggin' hot sauce. But the hot sauce is amazing and it's spicy. This one is just plain. I mean, sometimes you have to have plain to realize what awesome flavor there is in the other one. Oh my God, I'm on fire. Yep. Smooth that. I feel like I'm having to look around, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna move that over. Here we go. Give me a second, you guys. I'll try not to spill yet again. Oh boy. There we go. And with those guys. Whew. Ugh. Does that look okay? What's this one? Oh man. Okay, here we go. Let's get that right there.
Here I am. This is better. This is better.
You guys, I have to bring tissues in here. My nose is running. I have to go right now before I drip. My apologies for the red on my face. Did I get it on wing 1 or wing 2? I don't know. Oh well. Oh well. Yep. Ooh. That was quick. Here we go. So you guys, after I'm finished with this sauce, I have a whole bunch more of it in a container on the counter. From here. I'm just going to put it back in the fridge. And maybe even the freezer. And throw it into stuff that I make. Yep. Maybe I'll even put it into like an ice cube tray or something like that. And then use a cube at a time. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, that's hot. So good. It doesn't feel warm. It should be warm. It's on heat. The light's on. Anyway, I don't know what happened. Maybe I screwed it up. But I followed my book. Where's my book? Somewhere. Anyway, I did follow the book, so don't think I didn't. Because I did. I'm kind of thinking that it's for thicker consistency. So like cheeses and chocolate, of course, is made for chocolate. Cheeses, chocolate, creamy sauce, stuff like that. But I'm sure Stephanie Sue used hot sauce in hers one time. I'm sure of it. Whoa. Pardon me. Anyway, yeah, I'm sure she did. I'm going to have to look that video up. That's hot. Whew. So, I've been having, oh my God, that's hot. I've been having such fun making videos. Holy cow. So, yesterday, I had a bunch of friends to come over. We went into the park out behind my house. And we did the adult size balloons, and we had to blow them up with a little leaf blower. Yeah. And there were 3 of us. I thought there was going to be 4, but there were only 3. 3 of us that did it. And oh man, the fun. And the balloons were popping, and oh my God, priceless. Priceless. So funny. And then last night, hubby and I did another one where he fed me spaghetti with meatballs. We had beef balls and lamb balls, I think. Anyway, I don't really care that much for lamb balls. I really like the beef balls. Anyway, so he was eating some of the lamb balls. He really likes that. And he was feeding me spaghetti and stuff. He was behind me. I was blindfolded. He was blindfolded. Oh my God. Oh my God. What a laugh. Holy crap. And a mess. Oh. I can't wait to edit those videos. It's just such fun. I'm so disappointed with this, you guys. Super, super disappointed. I was going to be so proud. And you guys, hubby doesn't like hot, spicy food, so that's why he's not here. But don't expect him to be here all the time anyway. It's he's got his own thing going on. So if he's not busy and if he really wants to, he can join me in any video he wants. Yeah. But with this one, no. Oh, we don't want water, yeah. Oh. Yeah, okay. Oh. Spicy. What was that? So the leaves are falling off of all the trees. Our tree was usually one of the very last ones to fall in the neighborhood. And I'm going to say the past like 2 days, it's like, we could watch it and take a video and just watch all the leaves falling. So pretty. And the leaves are all beautiful color and a nice light orange. Really pretty. It's all over the lawn and the neighbor's lawn. And if we get a gust of wind, it's going to be everybody's lawn. Hubby's supposed to go outside and do that pretty soon. And I got to go pick my tomatoes. You guys, we've been having below 0 temperatures for a few days. I covered my tomatoes in, with a tarp. Massive tarp. Because I've been working and everything and I keep forgetting. And anyways, as soon as I've done this video, I got to go out and pick all of my tomatoes. Yeah. I already grabbed a full box. But there's so many out there. Holy wicked. Wicked, wicked, wicked. So bit by bit, you guys, I'm going through all the things in my room. I was telling you before, I have a lot of stuff in here that I need to do mukbangs on. Mukbangs and silly videos like makeup and my Newfoundland stuff. And I've got a bunch of sound stuff. I bought a bunch of things like at the dollar store and stuff for ASMR videos. Bunch of food stuff. Oh my God. So much stuff. Oh boy. Anyway, yeah. Oh, getting full, you guys. I'm surprised I haven't started hiccuping yet. That's coming pretty quick. Oh. Mmm. 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 That was crunchy. Okay. Let's keep going. Trying not to spill it on this cloth. I'll never get that color out. I do have some drops though. Boo. Shout it out. Get out. Mm. Ooh. Did I eat fast? Holy crap. How many did I eat? It's hard to tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6. Holy crap. That's a lot. For me. For me. Not you, for me. Anyway, you guys. I hope it doesn't take me very long to clean this damn thing. That just sucks. Oh, there we go. I can't stop my nose, excuse me, from running. And now I got the hiccups, so you guys, I gotta stop. Oh, so my son said that he is going to do a mukbang with me, you guys. I'm so excited. Yes, I am. And we have plans on exactly what we're gonna do. I can't tell you yet. You guys will see the video. It might be the last video. Oh no, I'm not too sure. I'm kind of hoping it'll either be my very last video of my 30 for 30, or it'll be the first one after that, or something like that. Anyways, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to do a video with him. He's adorable. And he's funny. He'll be such a good laugh. You guys, I gotta go. I am so full. I think I should go lay down. But I gotta clean this mess up first. Sam Yang, you did it again. You bring out all of my emotions. You got me bawling and laughing. And, okay. Well, anyways, I didn't get it in my eye, which is good. Anyways, you guys, take care, and thank you so much again, and thank you all of my subscribers, everybody, every single one of you. Thank you so much for being here. Please feel free to share any of these crazy ass videos with any of your friends and family. And take care. Bye, guys. Ooh.